Here we are in front of this 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom villa on a private Ravine lot on a cul-de-sac. Each bedroom has an ensuite bathroom. There's a large kitchen with an island, nicely decorated. Outdoor kitchen and seating area. Let's go take a look inside. As you enter, you can see the kitchen is on the right. Nicely finished, stainless steel appliances. Nice high ceilings. Sitting area is over here. In the main house, there's a bedroom on the right with an ensuite bath and a bedroom on the left with an ensuite bath, all opening onto an outdoor terrace overlooking the pool. Bedroom on the right is a nice size TV, air conditioner with a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom. There's the closet. And the ensuite bath is right here with a walk-in shower. On the other side of the living area is an identical bedroom. These floors are fantastic. This is Coralina, a natural stone on the island. Follows right out into the pool deck area. Bedroom number 2 is right through here. This bedroom has also a walkout onto the pool, a walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom. TV, of course. Bathroom is right through here. And there's a better look at the bathroom with a walk-in shower. Marble sink tops. Air conditioning, fan. Walk out onto the pool. The sliding doors on the living room open onto an outdoor sitting area, which is right here. And an outdoor kitchen, barbecue dining area. The pool is still being filled, so we're not seeing it at its finest, but there is a jacuzzi area here on the left. It's a large pool, nice shallow area where you can put your beds for sun tanning, enjoying the heat while still staying cool. There's 2 bedrooms on either side of the pool, each with ensuite bathrooms. This is a gorgeous private Ravine lot right here. So the bedroom on the right is right through here with a fan and an ensuite bathroom and sliding doors onto the pool terrace. Bathroom through here. This is ensuite number 3. Again with a walk-in shower. Marble countertops, sink tops. There is a second door to this ensuite from the pool, allowing you access from the pool as well as from this bedroom. 4th bedroom is on the left side. 4th bedroom is through here. Again, air conditioning, TV, ensuite washroom. Nice size vanity. Again, walk-in shower. Similar to the bedroom on the right side of the pool, it also has a double door, so you can enter this bathroom from the pool area or from the 4th bedroom. Another view of the pool. And this lot is just beautiful. So there we have it, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, nice size Ravine lot, all laid out. around a gorgeous oversized pool shower. Lots of nice features on this lot. Great outdoor sitting barbecue dining area. Nice sized living room with high ceilings. Great kitchen, nice light features. Banana trees, always a plus. Ravine lot.